All right, now it's your turn. On the screen, you will see 9 graphs, and the instructions say write an equation for each line. Just like we did in the last video, here's what I want you to do. I want you to pause the video and see if you can come up with the formula for each of these, and we'll come back and work a couple of them together. All right, pause your video. We'll come back in a minute. All right, let's see how you've done. Let's start with the first graph. What you want to make sure that you do is figure out where it runs into the y. It even tells you x, y, and this line runs into the graph right there. So if I'm doing the formula, y equals the slope, I don't know that yet, times x, plus where it runs into the y, and that's at 0, 2, which is giving that a 2. All I have to do is figure out how much my rise and run are, and then I've got my answer. How much did I rise? I went up, let's see, where's the next place that it hits the graph? Right there. Okay? So if I count from 2, 3, 4, 5, I went up 3, and to the left 1. So I went up 3, and then to the left 1. So that makes it a negative 3. Let's try it. Is it down 3 and right 1? 1, 2, 3, and right 1. 1, 2. Let me circle that. It makes it easier. 1, 2, 3, and right 1. There's my answer. Y equals negative 3x plus 2. Let's try the next one over here. I see where it hits right here. Y equals something times x. And the point where it's hitting right here is 0, negative 1. So that means this is a negative 1. Let's see how much I go up and over. So my next place it hits the graph exactly is right there. So I went up 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 over 5. Wow. Up 1 and to the right 5. Let's see, is it down 1 and to the left 5? The opposite, down 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 1 over 5. So the slope is really flat. It's not real steep like some of these other ones that are drawn. Let's do number 3. And then if you've gotten these 3, then you're doing it right. There it is. It hits right. No, it doesn't hit right there. It's going to have to hit somewhere else. This is real confusing. If you've got to be careful and make sure you don't see where it hits the x. You want to see where it hits the y. And it hits the y way up there. So that's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's y equals something times x plus 6. How did I know it was plus 6 this time and this was minus 1? See, that was below 0. That was negative 1. This is above 0, so it's a positive 6. All I got to do is figure out my slope. So if I'm here and I go down 1, see, there's the next spot I want to get to. Down 1, 2, 3, and over 2. So down 3, that's negative. I'm going negative. 1, 2, 3, and to the right 2. See if it does it again. 1, 2, 3, and right 2. It's negative 3 halves. So I've already figured out the formula for each of the first 3. Hopefully you got those. If you missed them the first time, but now you get it, check these and see if you get the right answer. If you get stuck, go see your teacher. Maybe this is one of the areas you're struggling in. Good luck.